Good day everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to start our first orthographic exercise, and we are going to do this according to the levels. So we'll be choosing the easiest object to draw and then we'll advance from there. In this level 1 tutorial, we have 3 objects and we will begin with the easiest one, which is this middle one. So select it and make a copy to move it somewhere where we have space for drawing. Let's see. So here is adequate enough to do our exercise. On the layer panel, I have prepared layers for this exercise, so you can see we have this construction line and the solid line layers, which are the most important in this exercise. Make sure you go and check my video where I explain the layer panel and how to use it and how to create preset layers according to your drawing exercise you are about to do. So let's examine our object. We are going to create the front view, the top view, and the side view. If you remember from our previous orthographic video, we said that the easiest way to start a drawing is by establishing our corner of the object. In orthographic projection, we have several ways of presenting our 2D views, and the most used ways is the first angle and the third angle projection. I'll explain these in another video, but for now we are going to use the first angle projection, where we will start by drawing the top view at the bottom of our drawing. So from top view, we see that this line is this one over here, and from the top we have 2 dimensions. The width is 30 units and the length is 50 units. So select the offset tool and then type 30, then offset to the right, then press escape and press enter to repeat the offset command. This time type 50 and offset from the bottom line upwards. So you can see that I have 30 by 50 rectangle. Then I enter to repeat the command, and this time I'm going to draw this part and this one and this one. So the total width is 30, and you can see here it's 10 units. So type 10 for offset distance and offset from the left to the right, then offset again. You don't need to repeat command, as you can offset continuously unless you want to change the distance. So now we have the top view, which matches with the isometric view. Now I can go to layer panel and select solid line, and it will change my properties, and then select the rectangle tool and draw the outer rectangle. Then select line tool and draw the middle lines, and you will be done with the first view. Then delete the construction lines, and I always prefer to do so that I don't get confused with the construction lines on the drawing. With a simple drawing as this one, it's okay to keep the construction lines, but later on you'll understand why it's better to delete and start over so that we don't have many construction lines overlapping one another. Change back to construction line, and then let's draw this front view. And we are projecting this view using the top view we drew, since this bottom line is the front side of the object. So extend a construction line from the left corner of the top view going upwards, and do the same with the right corner and extend. Let's draw a horizontal line as the base. So once we have established the base, let's check the front face dimension, and you will see here it's 10 units high. So select the offset tool, then type 10, and then offset from the baseline upwards. Then when we check the middle part's height at the back, we see it's 25 units. So press escape, then press enter and change distance to 25 units. Then offset from the 10 units line upward. Then what remains is to select line command and extend from here, then extend from this point as well, because this section over here is this one on the ISO view, and this top aligns with the front face. So change the layer to solid line, Then select the line tool and trace the shape created from the construction line. Delete the construction lines as we did before to create new ones. So now we have the front view done, and the last one is the side view. Change back to construction line layer, and this time we are going to project the side view using the top and the front we've created. First, draw the baseline using the same front view base, as the side view will be aligned with it. Then project two lines, one from the bottom and the other from the top corner of the top view. And these two lines would be the width of the side view, and the base would be this part. So this line represents this one over here. Then let us draw a vertical line which will create the corner of our side view. And for us to transfer the width, we need to draw a diagonal line at 40 degrees angle. It is important to note that the diagonal line we draw, whether from the top or bottom, depends on the side we are transferring. So let's say I'm drawing this side. Then I will need to draw my diagonal line from the bottom corner to the other corner to intersect with the top line. Type less than 45 to restrict the line to 45 degrees angle and draw the line. This diagonal line will act as a mirror which will reflect the side view and position it next to the front view plane. I have explained in depth the process of projecting side view in our previous videos, so check it out, as I am moving a bit faster here since this part was explained already. So draw the top line of the side view from the front view, and if we look at the top view, the only part we needed to transfer was the width of the object. Draw a line from the T part of the front view and extend. So we'll be having this section, which is this one, and this section is this one. Change layer to solid line and select rectangle tool and draw the top and the bottom part of the side view and delete the construction lines. That's it for our first exercise. I hope it was easy to understand. Thanks for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next coming tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye bye.